Welcome back everyone. Let's continue our make 10 subtraction rule. When subtraction is hard, take 10 away. Add the friend number. For 6, take 10, add 4. For 5, take 10, add 5. For 4, take 10, add 6. Now let's practice together. 1 plus 6 plus 8 minus 6 minus 5. Set 1 plus 6 plus 8. For 8, take 2, add 10. Minus 6. For minus 6, take 10, add 4. Minus 5. Answer is 4. Next, 4 plus 6 minus 5 plus 2 plus 9. Set 4 plus 6. For 6, take 4, add 10. Minus 5. For minus 5, take 10, add 5. Plus 2 plus 9. For 9, take 1, add 10. Answer is 16. Next, 8 plus 2 minus 4 plus 3 plus 5. Set 8, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 2. For 2, take 8, add 10. Minus 4. For minus 4, take 10, add 6. Plus 3. 1, 2, 3 plus 5. For 5, take 5, add 10. Answer is 14. See, math is easy when we use smart rules. Now it's your turn. 3 plus 8 minus 1 minus 6 plus 5. Write your answer in the comments. See you next time. Have fun. Bye-bye.